British railways carried the war load. They met to the full the exacting demands made upon them by the United Nations at war. Railways entered the war at the peak of their efficiency. During the years before the war, they spent over £450 million on new works and improvements, a gigantic program resolutely carried through in the face of acute world depression in trade. Improvements were made to track, to signaling appliances, and to communications. Bigger and better engines were designed, locomotive depots were modernized and supplied with the most modern equipment. Turntables that work themselves, giant coaling plants that fill an engine tender in a few minutes. To the general public, the efficiency of the peacetime railway services was reflected in fast and frequent passenger journeys. But behind the scenes, the network of freight services was no less efficient. For the last 100 years, railway freight services have formed the backbone of Britain's trade and industry. In time of war, they are of supreme importance. Here again, improvements effected during the immediate post-war years enabled the railways, with their numerous depots and vast marshalling yards, to carry an ever-increasing load, munitions, guns and tanks, and to keep the factories that produce them supplied with fuel and raw materials. British railways were tuned for war.